Hello everyone. Today we will learn about explain planning and modeling principles, advantages and disadvantages with the pictorial representation. Introduction to planning and modeling principles. Planning and modeling principles are essential for effective decision making. They provide a structured approach to understanding complex systems. This presentation explores their advantages and disadvantages. What is planning? Planning involves setting objectives and determining a course of action. It helps to allocate the resources efficiently to meet goals. Effective planning reduces uncertainty and enhances preparedness. The goals are like specific, measured, achievable, relevant, and timed. What is modeling? Modeling is a creation of abstract representation of the real-world systems. It allows for simulation and testing of scenarios without real-world consequences. Models can be quantitative or qualitative depending upon the context. Advantages of planning. Planning leads to the better resource management and allocation. It enhances coordination and communication among the team members. A well-defined plan can increase and likelihood of project success. Strategic planning cycles, goals, desired outcomes, strategies, measures and targets, results. And again to the goals. Disadvantages of planning. Planning can be time-consuming and resource-intensive. Rigidity in plans may lead to missed opportunities for adoption. Over-reliance on planning can stifle creativity and innovation. Planning is a significantly essential for achieving the loved objectives of a business endeavor. The achievements of an association relies particularly upon the capacity of looking forward to the example. Great planning needs a better thinking by the administrator, and it can be accomplishing advantages and disadvantages of planning. Advantages: planning reduces uncertainty, planning is focused on objectives, planning facilitates control, planning encourages creativity, planning anticipates problems and cope with a change. Disadvantages: planning is a time consuming, it leads to the lack of reliable data, and it may be costly process and leads to the rigidity. Planning is resistance to the change. Advantages of modeling. Modeling helps to visualize complex systems for better understanding. It allows for the risk assessment and scenario analysis. Models can be adjusted to reflect changes in variables or conditions. Disadvantages: models may oversimplify real-world complexities, leading and inaccuracies. The quality of the model heavily depends on the data used for its creation. Misinterpretation of the model outputs can result in poor decision making. Pictorial representation of advantages. This slide features a graphical showcasing the positive impacts of planning and modeling. Use icons such as gears for efficiency and checklist for organization and a light bulb for innovation. Each icon should be accomplished by brief description of their corresponding advantages. Pictorial representation of disadvantages. This slide show present a visual that highlight the drawbacks of planning and modeling, considering using a warning signs for risk, hourglass of time consumption, and a tangle knot for complexity. Each image should include a short explanation of the associated disadvantages. Conclusion: planning and modeling are essential tools for effective decision making. Understanding their advantages and disadvantages helps in optimizing their use. A balanced approach can lead to the improved outcomes in various fields. Feel uh, Identifying decision-making problems contains 8 steps. Identifying the problem, establishing the decision criteria, weight decision criteria, generate alternatives, uh, evaluate the alternatives, choose the best alternative, implement the decision, evaluate the decision. Thank you.